que eu preciso pra sentir a paz dentro do meu coração. Ainda que a tua promessa não haja brilho das estrelas, eu não temerei, não. Você que para além das nuvens, o sol não deixou de brilhar, só que até escureceu. Oh, 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 a minha vida está em Deus, eu sei que tudo faço em Deus. É Ele quem fortalece, eu vou seguir com fé. O meu Deus, eu vou para a rocha mais alta que eu.
E nós vamos comer agora, almoçar agora. Alho e óleo, vinagrete, farofinha. Look what we have here in Brazil! And I don't believe that we got to do it. The true is Romarico, right? That he get the recipe in the internet. He got, and he make the achara for me because I love it so much. The first time I've tried it's here in Brazil when he brought a small one and it finished, and I'm really, addicted for that. And we got the recipe and he make for us. And look how big. Oh my god. I can't believe. I can't believe, guys. This is really amazing. Can you imagine you're in Brazil and you're eating achara? I don't believe, really. Look, with good rice. It's not white rice, but it's very good with curry. And then fry something, fry beef, fry chicken. No, this is chicken? Is it chicken?
Fish.
Fish, I don't believe. Ay, with my achara. Ay, I love. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna take some rice and I'm gonna try this achara. Oh my god, I love it. It's amazing. It's amazing, amore. How can you? Oh my god. I'm trying to make diet, but it's difficult. With this achara and hot rice and, fried fish. I will eat now. This is my place, look. I just take my bike, I ride my bike to exercise because things are getting a bit tiring. Everything what I do is like I'm get tired easily. So this is the way how I need to start the year. I make 1 hour bike today. So it goes onto the end there. Look, I make 2 rounds here. And look who is here, Ninaizinho. And my husband, they just came to meet me. Look at how cute. This is another dog. And then they're there waiting for me. I love it when they make a surprise. I just finished 1 hour. My god, I just show food here in this vlog. Look, I asked my husband. He's a Filipino, everybody knows. And then I asked him, More, can you bring some toast? And then I want this cheese and with this. I only asked this for him. And then look what he brought. He brought the toast, he brought the cheese together with this marmalade, and then some of this and sparkling wine. Nino is here. Say hi, fellow. Say hi. Hi for your people. Hi for your paisanos. We paint his hair. I just have some of this in my hair, so I put on his hair as well. He's not dirty. He just has some You know, here it's like because of he leaks, he keep leaking. That's why it become darker than other area. Quer, filho? Mamãe te dá. Te amo, Ninozinho. Te amo. Olha o jeito que o meu bebê dorme. Coisa mais linda de mamãe. Guys, look. I was vlogging for my Portuguese channel, and I was crying because my mother, I'm telling them that every morning I miss her so much, and I show them the picture that I received in my birthday, and my birthday was my mom passed on October 27, and my birthday was November 4, and this is what I received of my gift of my birthday. That is written here. I'll show you. Look, it's me and my mother. Look what's written. How much, like, how she leave me missing her so much, right? Then it's like I'm telling her, it's like how much you let me miss you, mother, but you also leave many beautiful memories that comfort my heart, and this is my mother. Then it's written te amo. Te amo is I love you in Portuguese. Guys, this is Brazilian coffee style. Look, we put the powder here, and this is like American coffee. Can you see? Of course, I have this one, the coffee maker, like American style, but this one is practical and I use only for me if I make only my coffee. Look. Of course, we don't use this, we use a filter, but this one is cheaper for me and it works the same. Explain, amore.
Gente, olha, essa é nova. Como se diz?
Ponte.
Ponte. Ó, assim.
De Florianópolis.
De Florianópolis. É bem mole. É mais.
Balança. Nossa, tá balançando.
Tá balançando.
Ai, que medo.
Pode ver aqui, ó. Aqui no outro lado é do ilha.
Isso.
Do
outro lado da ilha.
outro lado da ilha.
Guys, this is a market here in Brazil. Look, full of shoes. And now he will change his Havaianas for another. We bought Havaianas here, but it's also original. Here is Ninoy. And this is the center of Brazil. It's like a market here in my place, that is south of Brazil, Florianópolis. And they also sell shoes like this. Guys, this is the wet market of my place. Look. In Florianopolis, Brazil. Look this fish. My God, it's like a shark. So here is very famous. People came to drink beer. This is like a sogi. What's the name of a sogi in English? Carneria?
Meat market.
It's a meat market, very famous here. Look, since 1975. This is many kind of cheese. And this is located in my place. If you want to watch the video, I will put here in the links. I already make a complete tour here in the center of south of Brazil. That is the capital of Florianopolis. Look, they have bars that you can eat, special food, seafood and everything. Many tourists came in this area to have a lunch, and also there is a live band. And here, look, it's a bolinho de linguiça blumenau. It's a aipim with linguiça. And we're gonna take caldo de cana that is very famous here. Look, it's around 9 reais, one caldo and one bolinho of that. And here, look, it's a bolinho de linguiça blumenau. It's a aipim with linguiça. And we're gonna take caldo de cana that is very famous here. Look, it's around 9 reais, one caldo and one bolinho of that. This is caldo de cana. It's made with the cana like a sugar plant, na? Sugar cane. And this is bolinho de aipim here in Brazil. Marico, you like bolinho de aipim?
Pimenta, yeah.
With pimenta, look. So we pay 9 reais in the both partner combo.
We are heroes tonight.
Tofu and pork.
Tofu, clack, boy.
Tofu and pork. Tofu and pork.
Pork. Agora é a hora. Olha que massa. Ai, ai, ai. Bem Filipino style. Guys, I didn't show you. O Marico make. I put the images there before this. He make tofu baboy of dishes here in Brazil. Look, we have even sisig plate. Look, and we are eating with his achara that I show you that he made. Oh my God, I don't believe all Filipino food today in the house. And I love it. I prefer million times Filipino food than Brazilian food now. I'm in love. Guys, coffee time with my husband. Amore, Tagalog please.
What's up, guys? Hello.
What did you do today, Italian Tagalog? For your license drive? Huh?
I make exam. No, it's not. It's cancelled.
It's canceled. Yeah.
Only next week. Ano what?
He got again this one, Brazilian style, look, with, what's the name? Hazelnut. And me, this one, with coffee. And they're gonna have breakfast now. Guys, good morning. So today it's Saturday. It's another day from that coffee time we had in the last afternoon, and I'm already washing some clothes here because today it's a very sunny day. Look here in my place. You see the sky. It's very sunny day and it's very hot as well. We didn't went to the beach this today. Supposed to be we go to the beach, but we choose no because I have some things to solve. And this is my vlog. I hope that you enjoy it. Thumbs up for me if you are liking our daily or our weekly routine. That's my intention, is to show you a little bit of my life with a Filipino husband here in this channel, while we don't have some topics of how is Brazil and how the things work here in Brazil. Okay, so this is a little bit of our life. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe here down below and give a like to all my videos if you like it. Remember that we're gonna move house and we're gonna show you how it's gonna be our next house and how we're gonna build it inside, how is the Brazilian inside, more or less, of one Brazilian apartment inside house, how we put the things. If you want a tour here in this apartment, I also can do it for you. Okay, so bye, see you next video.